This is Jason Mato. Welcome you on my YouTube channel. Previously, we had seen something about classical square oppositions. Here we can see the examples of A, E, I, and O. These are all four types of propositions. A types are like all apples are balls. E types are like no apples are balls. I types are like some apples are balls. O types are like some apples are not balls. From this table we see that A is contrary to E, I is subcontrary to O, and vice versa. O and I E are contradictory to each other. A and I is related as subalternation. E and O are relation is subalternation. Truth value goes down and false value goes up. So A and E, the nearest letter is F. This is a trick to remember. At least one of them is false. A and E. At least one of them must be false. I and O, IoT, Internet of Things. At least one of them is true. Now we are going to see the question number one. A being given false. A being given false. A is false. Then we have to see E and I O. A is being given false. A being given false. At least one of them is false. So we cannot say anything about E. We cannot say anything about E. So I and A will not take first option or A will not take I or II. A will neither take I or II. It clearly means option 2 and 4. Option 2 and 4. There we have to see E being given false. E being given false. E being given false. We have to see E being given false. What is E being given false? E is false as I is contradictory to E, so I will be true. I will be true. So B will take the fourth. B will take fourth. So we get the answer option number 2. Now next question is which of the following statements are logically equivalent? No P is S means these are different circles. Some S are non-P. Uh, some S, some. Let first circle is S. Intersection, intermingled intersection is, and on right we have P. Some S are non-P. Some S are non-P. Some S is on left. Some S are non-P. Yes. The intersection part. S minus intersection part, which are some S and non-P. Yes, this is true. Some non-P are not non-S. Some non-P, some non-P are not non-S. Not non-S means S. So S minus intersection. Some S are not P. Some S are not P means S minus intersection. So B, C, and D are logically equivalent. So our option will be option 3. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is we have to match. A being given as true. A is given as true. It clearly means O will be false. O will be false. O will be false. O will be false, but there is no such options. What is the status of E? At least one of them is false. At least A is true. A and E. At least one of them is false. True is given, so E will be false. E is also not there in option. As E is false, it is contradictory to I. So I will be true. I will be true. It means A will take third option. A will take third. So from options we see the fourth option is the correct option. Which of the following proposition is obvious logical equivalent, some men are honest. Some men are honest, which is logical equivalent. Some men are not dishonest. Yes, obviously. uh, Now question number 5, all college professors are entertaining lectures. This is a proposition which is given that true. So we have to choose square opposition. Which of the following inferred correctly from the given quotes? As A is true, no college professors are entertaining lecture is false. Yes, at least one of them is to be false. So A will be taken. Some college professors are not entertaining lecture is not entertaining lecture. Some not as A is true, some not is contradictory. So this is to be false. So B will not be taken. A will be taken. A will be taken. B will not be taken. So we get the option for A and C. Hence our answer is A and C. Now question number 6. Which the following statement are some contraries? Some contrary and some not. Yes, C and D will be taken. So answer option 4 is the correct answer. Now which of the following statements are logically equivalent? We have to find the logically equivalent statements. No S is P. These are different circles. Okay. No P is S. These are also different circles. A and B will be taken. Yes. We can see that 2 and 4 options. Now let us check C. All S are non-P. All S are non-P. Yes, C will also be taken. Let's see D option. All P are non-S. Yes, D will also be taken. As A, B, C, D all are logically equivalent. No S is non-P. It says that S and P are same circles. Means overlapping here. But A, B, C, D are the different two circles. So option 4 will be our correct answer. Now overtend and overwords. All S is P. All S is P. Let us see which sentence, which statement, which proposition logically equivalent to all S is P. Some S is non-P. No S is non-P. All S is non-P. Some S is not P. No S is non-P. It means all S is P. No, yes. So A will take 2. So A will take 2. B is no S is P. It is given that no S is P. All S is non-P. I have to see then some S is P. Some S is P. So it will take some S is not non-P. So C will take fourth option. So answer 3. Answer option is 3. Option 3 is our correct answer. Now question number 9. Moving to question number 9, we see that all human beings are mortal. A proposition is given as true. Which is the following inferred from to be true? A is true. So obviously subalternation. Its subalternation is O. Some human beings are mortal, which is also true. So option 1 is correct. So now moving on to question number 10. Which of the following if the statement all women are honest, a proposition is true, then which can be inferred from it? A proposition is true. No woman is dishonest is false. Yes, this is to be taken as one of them is at least one of them is false. A and E, at least one of them, A will be taken in option. So answer 1 for question number 2. Answer 1. Sorry, question number 10. Answer 1. Which of the following proposition is contradictory to the proposition all women are honest? All women are honest. Its contrary will be no women are honest. Obviously, from our box. Now 12. Which of the following forms of category proposition contraposition is valid? Contraposition is valid. Some S is P, some some SSP as some not is not taken in contrapositions, keeping B away from the options, we get that ACD is the correct answer. So next question is 13. If the statement some officers are not honest, some officers are not honest, A E I O is given as false, then which of the following statements can be inferred to be true? So as O is false, its contradictory is A. A must be true. All honest, all officers are honest. This is to be true. So option D will be taken, and we have to check B as this is also there in option 4. Some officers are honest. As all officers are honest, it clearly says as the truth values goes down, so some officers will be honest. So option 4 is the correct answer, B and D. Now question number 14. Some plants are not carnivorous. Some plants are not carnivorous. Some not means O proposition is false. Then which of the following could be immediately informed from it? O proposition is false. We know that IoT, I and O, one of IoT, so at least one of them is true. At least one of them is true means some plants are carnivorous is true. Some plants are carnivorous is true. So A will be taken. A will be taken. Now next is, let's see, some plants are carnivorous is false. This will not be taken as at least one of them is true, both cannot be false. So B is cancelled out. Cancelling out B. A taken. No plants are carnivorous is false. It is given that some not is false. So as falsity goes up, no plants are carnivorous will be false. So C will be also taken. A and C will be taken. Now we have to check option. We have to see D line. All plants are carnivorous is true. As O proposition is false, its contradictory is A proposition. This is A proposition, so this is true. So this will be taken. So we get the answer 4. ACD. Question number 15. All children are innocent is given as true. A proposition is given as true. Okay. We have to inform which are true. Some all children are innocent. It clearly means some children are innocent. This can be informed as the truth values goes down. In classical square opposition, some S is P. Some S is P given as true. I proposition is given as true, which can be informed from it. Some S is not P is false. At least one of them is true. One is given true, so you cannot say anything about some S is not P. About O proposition or determined. So A and B will not be taken. So cancelling A and B options, we find that C D E. C D is correct. So option 2. For which of the following forms of categorical proposition conversion is valid? Conversion is valid. Some S is P, some S is P, or some S is for conversion, or we are not taking B as that is complicated. So A, C, D is correct answer. Okay. Now question number 18. If some men are vegetarian given is false, this I proposition is given false, which can be true from it. Its contradictory is no men are vegetarians. It's contradictory, so this will be true. This will be true. No men are vegetarians. Contradictory, so B will be taken. B will surely be taken. As truth values goes down, so some not will also be taken as true. Some men are not vegetarians, so will also be taken as true. So B and C will be taken. So on option number 3. In classical square opposition, all S is P means A proposition is given false. Immediately informed from it. S is P. All S is P. No S is P is true. Yes, at least one of them is false. At least one of them is false. So we cannot, as false is already given, we cannot say anything about no S is P. So A will not be taken. Okay. I have to choose from C, D, E and B, D, E. It clearly means D and E is correct. You have to choose C, whether B or C to be taken. Some S is not P. Given that A proposition is false, it clearly means some not will be true. Yes, as they are contradictory to each other, some not will be true. So C will be taken. So answer will be C, D and E. B is not taken. A is not. B is not taken. Some S is not full. Now question number 20. If question number 20 is no birds are mammals. No birds are mammals is E proposition, which is true. Who is immediately informed from it? Some not will be true. Some not will be true. Yes, some birds are not mammals. Some birds are not mammals is true. As the truth values goes down from E proposition to O proposition. Some not is true. So D will be taken. D will be taken. So we have to choose. We have to see the B. Some birds are mammals. Given that no birds are mammals is true. Some birds are mammals is false. Yes, these two are contradictory statements. Contradictory or I proposition or O proposition contradictory. So B will also be there. So answer option number 2. For 20, option number 2. Now 21. Some S is P is contrary to some S is not P. As the these are sub contrary, not contrary. Okay. So first statement is false. Second statement is some S is not P is contradictory to all S is P.